Still is.
Look at Suga Army. Oh my god, he is eating watermelon and look at him, look at his face. I really want to visit Thailand, and it's very soon, guys. You know, I really want to visit that amazing place, amazing country.
Oh, one more piece.
Oh, Sugar is eating a lot. He likes to eat watermelon. You can see. Look at his face. He looks so good.
Go to another island. Okay.
It's so good. Look at him. Look at him. He likes it. He likes to eat it. Thailand is amazing, armies. I really want to be there, and I want to be there very, very soon. Probably next month or yeah, probably next month, I guess.